How to sync external audio in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import both your video file and the external audio file into the project bin. Next, drag the video clip onto the timeline and place the external audio file on the track below it. Right-click on the video clip and select Ungroup Clips or press Ctrl+Shift+G to separate the original audio from the video. This allows you to edit, mute, or remove the original audio if needed. Now align the external audio with the video by matching the start of the dialogue or action. Zoom into the timeline for precise control. Use the playback tool to check synchronization. If there is any mismatch, adjust the position of the external audio until it matches perfectly. You can also use the razor tool to make fine cuts and adjustments for better accuracy. Finally, select both the video and external audio clips, right-click and choose Group Clips to keep them linked for future editing. Now you know how to sync external audio in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.